this tutorial. Here I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add your bank details to your dashboard so you can be receiving money from uh, your buyers. So let's go straight. So I'm clicking on this. Alright, so I'll pick on GT Bank. Alright, so I will click on verify account details. Alright, I'll hit on continue. Are you sure your account details? Okay, it's correct. Alright, okay, our account has been successfully added. So next tutorial I'm going to show you how to add your product, how to add product that you will sell on Selar, your digital products. So see you in the next class.